Hello viewers, welcome to ICSE Class 10 Foundation Mathematics by R.S. Agrawal, Goel Brothers Publications. We are with chapter Linear Inequations. We are solving exercise. This is episode 11.6. We are with sum number 16. I have selected from 16 to 31. We are going to do few sums. I am starting with question number 16. So here we go. Our answer. So answer 16. It says minus 2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than 1 integer 5 upon 6. X belongs to I, that means x belongs to integer. So our sum implies minus 2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than 1 integer 5 upon 6. So here if you see here there are two expressions. One is this one and another one is this one. So let us have a column here so it becomes easy to identify. We'll start with first of all with implies minus 2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3. So we'll solve this one first. So here implies minus 2 less than 3 minus 4x upon 6. So this is the LCM. 6 goes this side, so it becomes implies minus 12. So this one goes this side. So minus 12 less than is equal to 3 minus 4x implies minus 12 minus 3 less than equal to minus 4x. Here implies minus 15 less than equal to 4 will come down. Here minus x upon 4 implies multiplying both the sides with minus 1 because I don't want x to be negative. So here minus x multiply by minus 1. Now as you know the rule that when you multiply both the sides by negative number then the sign changes. So here 15 upon 4 becomes greater than equal to x implies x is smaller than equal to, because 15 upon 4 is greater than x, that means x is smaller than equal to 15 by 4. So this is my equation. So let us go for the right hand side one. I'm going to change the color so it becomes easy to differentiate. So here implies 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than 1 integer 5 upon 6. So here LCM becomes 3 minus 4x, LCM is 6, less than 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6. This one and this one cancel. Implies minus 4x less than 11 minus 3 implies minus 4x less than 8 implies minus x less than 8 upon 4 implies minus x less than 2 multiplying both the sides by negative 1. So here minus 1 minus x less than 2 bracket minus 1 implies here x sign changes, so it's bit greater than minus 2. Now if I bring minus 2 this side, so minus 2 is less than x, that what it means. So I got another equation that I'm going to put it in a box. So here x less than equal to 15 upon 4 and minus 2 is less than x. Understood? So now let us work it out. The solution set. So here solution set is x such that minus 2 less than x less than equal to 15 by 4. And one more thing forgot, here comma, x belongs to I. Okay, so here we have to draw the number line. So here this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here so here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 15 upon 4 is something nearly to 3 point. So this becomes something equal to 3 point nearly 7 or something. So here we can count 3. So here minus 2. Where is minus 2? Here. Here is minus 2. And it is less than x, so it becomes this part. So I'm going to put with another color. So here minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3. Because it says x belongs to I. I hope you understood this sum. You have to put the solution set in this manner, or you can go for solution set as minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Got it? And this is what we put the numbers on the number line. I hope you understood this sum. Let us move on to the another one. So I have done 16 number, 17 is same, 18 is also same, 19 is same. I am going to go for sum number 20. So put a column here. Okay, let us go for sum number 20. Sum number 20. So here answer 20. It says minus 8 1 upon 2 less than minus 1 upon 2 minus 4x less than equal to 7 integer 1 upon 2, and here x belongs to I. Let us solve this sum. Same manner, same sort of a style. So here first of all, if you see minus 8 1 upon 2, hold on, minus 8 1 upon 2 less than minus 1 upon 2 minus 4x less than is equal to 7 integer 1 upon 2. So here if you see I am getting two expressions, and another one is here. So here you get, so we'll start with the first one. We'll make a column here and we'll start with the first one. So here minus 8 1 upon 2 less than minus 1 upon 2 minus 4x. So it implies minus 17 upon 2. So 2, 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. 17 upon 2 less than minus 1 minus 8x upon 2. This one and this one cancel. So implies minus 17 plus 1 less than minus 8x implies minus 16 upon 8 less than minus x implies minus 2 less than minus x, multiplying both the sides with minus 1. So implies minus 1 minus 2 less than minus x, here minus 1. So implies 2 greater than x implies x smaller than 2. So we got one. We'll go for another one. It's going to change the color to red. Here minus 1 upon 2 minus 4x less than equal to 7 integer 1 upon 2. Here minus 1 minus 8x upon 2 less than equal to, here implies less than equal to 15 by 2. So this one 2 and this one 2 cancel. Minus 1 go this side, so it becomes plus 1. So here minus 8x less than, here comes implies 15 plus 1. So here implies minus 8x less than equal to 16 implies minus 8 minus x less than equal to 2, because 8 goes down. If 8 comes down, 8 2s are 16. Now multiplying both the side with minus 1, so what we are going to get here, we get x, sign changes, becomes greater than minus 2, implies, you can say minus 2 less than equal to x. So I got 2. So let us go for the solution set. I'll make a column here, okay, a vertical line, so that it becomes easy. So here solution set, here x such that minus 2 less than x less than 2, here x belongs to I. Here x belongs to I. Now let us work it out on a number line. So first of all, I will write down the numbers. So minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So these are the numbers. Now I have to represent it on a number line. So here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So I will change the color. So minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So I hope you understood this type of sums. So it's pretty simple. It's easy. If you work it out nicely, then you can score more marks, and you can score full marks in this type of sums. Thanks very much, guys. I'll see you in the next episode, continuing from sum number 20. Okay, if you have any questions or any doubts, let me know. Sum number 17, 18 and 19 is for your homework. I have done 2 sums, 16 and 20. I'll continue from maybe a 21 or 24 and 1 or 2 sums, and then rest of the sums will be for your homework. Thanks very much, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.